Now, another property of parallelogram, the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. देखें, here AC and BD are diagonals of parallelogram ABCD intersecting each other at O. We have to show that these diagonals bisect each other. It means what? OA is equal to OC and OB is equal to OD. But ऐसे ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं करना है. We will show that triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COD. यहाँ पर देखो एंगल 1 is equal to एंगल 2 alternate interior angle. AB is equal to CD opposite sides of parallelogram, and angle 3 is equal to angle 4 again alternate interior angles. Therefore, triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COD by ASA rule. And if these two triangles are congruent, then OA is equal to OC and OB is equal to OB by CPCT. Hence, OA is equal to OC and OB is equal to OD means दोनों diagonal एक दूसरे को equal part पर divide. So this is the property. Now, a parallelogram. Now, theorem 8.7. The diagonals of a quadrilateral, if bisect each other, then it is a parallelogram. किसी quadrilateral के diagonal अगर एक दूसरे को bisect करते हैं, then that quadrilateral is a parallelogram. So just check. अब ऐसे सिचुएशन में हम क्या करेंगे? प्रूफ क्या करना है? पैरेललोग्राम. तो डायग्राम हम ड्रॉ करेंगे पैरेललोग्राम का और मानेंगे क्या इसको? क्वाड्रिलेटरल. इज इट ओके? मींस इस पर हम कोई भी पैरेललोग्राम की प्रॉपर्टी नहीं लगाएंगे, क्वाड्रिलेटरल की प्रॉपर्टी के थ्रू चलेंगे जनरल. तो क्वाड्रिलेटरल ABCD and its two diagonals AC and BD intersecting each other at O, such that bisect each other. OA is equal to OC and OB is equal to OD दे दिया है. To prove quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram, हम क्या शो करेंगे? AB parallel to CD and BC parallel to AB. ये हम लोग प्रूव करेंगे. Is it okay? चलो देखो. Consider the triangle. In triangle AOB and triangle COB, क्या मिला? OA is equal to OC given. Angle A is equal to angle B. These are the vertically opposite angles. And OB is equal to OD. It is again given. Therefore, triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COD by SAS rule. Therefore, angle 1 is equal to angle 2. And ध्यान से देखो, angle 1 और angle 2 क्या है? Alternate interior angle है, and they are equal. Therefore, lines are parallel. Therefore, AB is parallel to CD. Clear? Similarly, consider the triangle BOC. In triangle BOC, similarly, triangle BOC is congruent to triangle DOA. BO था triangle DOA. SAS rule. Similarly means इसी तरह से. Therefore, angle 3 is equal to angle 4. CPCT. And if angle 3 is equal to 4, फिर चेक करो. Angle 3 is equal to angle 4. इसका मतलब क्या होगा? BC is parallel to AD. BC is parallel to AD. Reason, since alternate interior angles are equal, it is the number 2. So from 1 and 2, AB is parallel to CD and BC is parallel to AD. This implies quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. Parallelogram. Hence proof. मतलब क्वाड्रिलेटरल को पैरेललोग्राम प्रूव करने की एक कंडीशन ये भी है कि उसके डायगोनल एक दूसरे को बाइसेक्ट करें. बेटा थ्योरम तक हमने एक्सरसाइज 8.1 के लिए जितनी थ्योरम से हमने कंप्लीट कर लिया है. अब नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में we'll start the solution of the exercise 8.1. Is it okay? समझ में आ गया यहाँ तक? God bless.